for those who are looking to come into entrepreneurship, they need to hear this and understand that it's important for you to do that research, right? Sometimes some people want to do it from behind the computer. Sometimes you may need to go and have a hands-on experience in that field. You may need to go and work under someone. You may need to go and shadow someone. You may need to go and
That's
work
right.
in that industry for a certain period of time before you go about opening your business.
Again, the whole mentorship, I got that from working with Howard. I got that from working with Elsie. And I learned that when you have people who, like I said, are seasoned in what they do, and not just, and this is something that's important, just because somebody's been in a business a long time don't mean that they're good at it.
No.
So you want to make sure that you are being led by someone who has the experience and their business can show it.